How to use Snapchat filter on gallery photo and save it. So if you want to use Snapchat filter on gallery photo and save it, open Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat like this, now go to this. After you go to this gallery section, now go to this camera roll. From this section, now go and search for the picture you want to add the filter to it. So I'll just go ahead now and search for the filter from my phone gallery like this one. I'll use this picture for the video. After you select the picture like this, now tap on this arrow. So from this section now, here is different option. You can go ahead and edit your photo. So now you swipe your hand to left or right like this. So from now, as you can see now here is all filters. Now go ahead and select the filter you want to add. So for this video, I want to add this filter to this photo. After you select the filter like this now, if you want to save the photo, you can tap on you can now press your hand on this export button and swipe to right, tap on this download button. So now I'll download the photo to my phone gallery. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.